In this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate a Google Drive plugin for WordPress so you can easily add files, folders, and documents from your Drive directly into your website. First, make sure you're logged in to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control panel where you manage everything on your site, from posts and pages to themes and plugins. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the plugins section. Hover your mouse over plugins, then click on Add New. This is where you can search for and install new plugins to extend the functionality of your site. On the Add Plugins page, you'll see a search bar in the top right corner. Click into that search bar and type something like Google Drive or Google Drive Embed. You're looking for a plugin that integrates Google Drive with WordPress, typically described as a Drive file embedding or integration plugin. You'll probably see several options. Take a moment to check the star ratings, active installations, and the last updated date. Choosing a well-rated, recently updated plugin helps ensure better compatibility and security. Once you've picked the plugin you want to use, move your cursor to that plugins box and click the Install Now button. WordPress will automatically download and install the plugin for you. After just a few seconds, that same button will change to say Activate. Go ahead and click Activate. This step turns the plugin on so you can actually start using it on your site. After activation, you'll need to open the plugin settings. Depending on the plugin you chose, you might see a new menu item in the left sidebar, or you might find its settings under the settings menu. Look for anything labeled with Google Drive or a similar name. Click that to open the plugin's configuration page. On the settings page, the plugin will ask you to connect your Google account. Usually you'll see a button that says something like Connect to Google Drive or Authorize. Click that button and a new window or tab will open, taking you to a Google sign-in or permissions screen. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to log in. Then Google will ask if you want to allow this plugin to access your Drive. Carefully review the permissions, and if you're comfortable with them, click Allow. This authorization is necessary so the plugin can list and embed your files directly from your Drive. Once authorization is complete, go back to your WordPress dashboard. At this point, your Google Drive is connected to your WordPress site through the plugin. You can now insert Drive files into pages or posts, open a new post or page, or edit an existing one. In the editor, you might see a new block, button, or icon related to Google Drive. When you click it, you should be able to browse your Drive, pick a file or folder, and insert it right into your content. Keep in mind that some plugins, even if they appear free, may require a paid plan either on WordPress or within the plugin itself to unlock all features. Always review the plugin's details and documentation so you know exactly what's included in the free version and what might require an upgrade. That's all you need to integrate a Google Drive plugin with WordPress and start embedding your Drive content directly on your site.